Hi guys, good afternoon. First of all, I need to thank for Teacherswala team who are providing online and offline tutors for students who are merely preparing for tests or who are need to understand some concepts, etc. So I want to thank them as on behalf of teachers. And let me give you a quick introduction of myself. As I said, my name is Mona Shree. I have studied in Chandrasekhar Institute of Technology in the CS department as an engineering student. My skills are I'm fluent in English and I can also teach the students coding also, like Python, Java, C, C++. These are my skills which I have right now. So I wish to teach kids in a fun way. So that's my specialty. I have worked for 6 months in 6 to 7 months in government school here in Tumkur. So I'm happy about to share that as my special moment. So because no one teaches for a government school, so I am really thankful, or I can say I'm really happy to teach in the government students. So I hope to see the best messages or best wishes from Teachers Wala Group. Thank you.